Dear students, today you are enjoying online studies. Today's subject is civics and chapter 2. In this chapter, we will discuss about institutional representation of democracy. In this chapter, we will study about elections, political party, coalition government, etc. Election. An election is a process in which people vote to choose a person or group of people to hold an official position. Elections are held in all constituencies at the same time, either on the same day or within a few days. Is called general elections. General elections are held every 5 years. When a member dies or resigns, elections are held before 5 years is called by-elections. Elections which are held before the completion of the term of the government is called mid-term election. Now, process of election. Announcement of election date, selection of candidate, filling the nomination papers, allotment of symbols, issuing of election manifestos, campaigning, voting, and declaration of results. Election Commission. The Election Commission is an independent body instructed with the responsibility of conducting free and fair elections. The head of the Election Commission is called Chief Election Commissioner. The various functions of Election Commissions are as follows. To announcement the election date, to process voters list, allotment of symbols, to conduct a free and fair elections in a country. Now, political party. A group of persons having same ideology and holding same opinion on major political issues of the country is called a political party. For example, BJP, Congress, CPI, BSP, etc. Types of party system. First, single party system. In some countries, only one party exists and forms the government. For example, China and Syria. Two-party system. In some countries, there are two parties or a bi-party system. For example, USA and UK. Multi-party system. In this system, many political parties exist. For example, India, Pakistan, etc. Now, national and regional parties. Congress, BJP are examples of national parties. BSP, Telugu Desam are example of regional parties. Coalition government. When no political party gets majority, then a few political parties join together to form a government is called coalition government. Now, your chapter is completed. You are advised to read the chapter well and write all question answers. Some question answers are given in the image. You will write and learn from image. Thanks.